the buttons now.
Which button is the dance button?
Is it R?
Why does my character look
How do you
depressed?
how do you rotate? Frick! I'm gonna assume it's scroll wheel.
E, Q. Is it R? Oh, it is R.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh! Jump, you fat sheep! Butter. Jump, you fat sheep! Oh my god.
Noble on it.
Right in the face. No! Oh, bombs. I love bombs.
Hello.
Karate! Oh.
Bombs are fun.
Ah!
Alright, so wait a little bit before activating the elevator. So that way it doesn't go up directly into the saw blade.
You just murdered both of us. Alright, I have an idea.
Break
I know what I'm
that.
doing. Run! No, you got stuck on something. What the? My freaking guy had his shoes untied.
Yeah?
Ah,
You still get the points. Okay.
Wait, it's gonna hit me! Ah! Wait, can that Why are you blowing up my stick? Ah! Come on!
Okay,
Yeah, it's not gonna go down. I made sure of that.
I have an idea.
Oh.
No, okay!
Blow up. Alright. Eeny,
George.
meeny, miny, mo. Grab the penis by the hoe.
What? Hold space, Noble.
Shut up!
There's a shift button, Noble. Hold space.
Wait. How did that happen?
Okay.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare put it there. That's a really bad place for that to be. I like how weird the only one that doesn't know how to jump. Stay. Ah!
Hide the body, Noble. Hide the body.
Son of
Hey.
yeah,
Alright.
you're the ultimate skunk, you stinky.
Appreciate that.
You smell like poo.
Hold space! Hold it! You'll jump higher! Hold it! There you go. Oh my gosh. I figured it'd be common sense.
No, yes! Touch my booty cheeks.
No, thank you.
Okay, this is just.
Okay.
We need a new.
Hold space! Hold it!
Why is there no bomb? I need bombs. Come on, jump, you fat.
I'm just gonna watch.
Sayonara, mother. Oh, why is there no bomb?
Noble? Okay.
Oh my god. Give it to me. No, don't do that.
You can do that. You have to sprint into there. And then crouch at the same time. Yeah, sprint.
Do we? Wait,
Yeah.
You have sprint?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
What, we have a sprint?
I didn't know
Are you
that.
serious? What the?
How are
I'm
you-
white now. Alright, that's fine.
Sure. Stop.
Hold space.
The power of Jesus. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm dead.
jump! No, come on! Ramming speed! Off bank! Jump on the Fat white power!
I'm gonna wait.
Ah! I didn't see myself jump. No! Come on!
I think we actually made it.
No. We just gotta time it. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, no, I didn't know I jumped. I thought I was. I didn't know
Alright,
I.
that's fine.
Ah! Jump! Justice!
Are you serious?
Timing! Timing! That's not timing! He's dead.
No, I'm good.
You're dead.
No, I'm good.
Oh, come on!
Max, you can't make that no matter
Shut
what
up.
you do.
You don't know who I am.
What's the ground so slippery?
It's not. You're just stupid.
I'm a flexible elephant. Give me a bomb. Oh, butter.
You just press space and go. Press space
Come
and
on,
go.
Noble, do the wood thing. Do the wood thing, Noble.
I said press it, not hold it.
Max, you realize if you jump into that?
Yeah, I know. Okay. So, I may have made a mistake.
No, what have you done? No! I just realized what that was.
Alright, give me a nuke.
Why?
Okay, hold on. Okay. I need to plan this out a lot more carefully. Frick!
Yes! The power of butter. Oh, bees!
Okay.
Wait, is the water going to... Oh. The master have fallen! Woohoo!
Hold space, Noble.
No! Knocking...
Alright.
You can't walk onto it.
Alright, well.
And you're dead. Oh my God.
What the frick? Do you see that?
No.
The cannon shoots the arrows.
Oh, the can yeah, it propels the...
Okay.
Okay. George, we need to be careful. No! 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 No!
Oh,
my
George is
God.
gonna win because we can't get past the beginning.
Ah!
Oh, don't do that.
A flower.
Don't do that.
I would
Okay.
like you. Oh, you...
What if I?
Max, I don't want to know.
No, no.
No.
Hey!
You can't do it. You can't do
John,
it. You
I
can't
got
do it.
everything.
He's not going to do it. No, go away. Go away.
She thinks you're ugly.
Oh. You gotta be kidding me.
Makes sense. All right.
Max, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm the one because you.
Oh, butter. I love butter. I like how me and George have the same way of doing things. Wait, what? No!
Oh, beautifully placed.
Oh my God.
Mistakes for me!
Noble, there's
Have
only
fun
one
getting-
chance.
have
There's
fun
only
getting up
one
there.
chance, and we're about to die. So get ready.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna. Okay.
Ah! Oh my God. God back. Hit me right in the face. Ooh.
You're dead. You're dead.
I'll bet.
You're dead.
Yep, I'm definitely dead.
This is fine.
That's a saw! That's a bee!
You're dead. Yes!
What?
Frick yourself, Noble. Frick yourself.
Did I catch the bee? Oh, why did I jump? Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Max, so what was that about saying it's too easy?
Oh no.
Charge! Oh. Charge! Wait, where did you put that?
Yep, nerds. That's what we are.
Sorry, George.
George.
You're dead. You're dead. You're not gonna survive. We're not gonna be able to survive this.
Nope.
Charge!
Not again!
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
Max.
I'll be
Max is
there.
dead.
Don't worry.
No, you're dead. Yeah,
No.
you're dead.
You're trapped down there. You can't get out. Max, you're trapped down there. Let's go, Noble. Let's go, Noble.
That's what you get. You have no power here.
Max,
Sprint is a thing. Sprint is a thing.
Charge!
Sprint
I
is
forgot
a
there's a
thing.
thing.
well then. Max, if
Couldn't you
could
said
record
that
this-
before I jumped?
He did.
I did.
That doesn't count. Oh wait, what do I do? Ah!
Who placed the spike ball?
That was Max.
Max.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Don't blow anything up. Don't blow anything up. I see a way out. Don't worry. I got this. Don't blow anything up. No.
Oh, you. Give me
No.
nerd. Give me something. Charge!
I have an idea.
No, well, the idea has to wait because you don't have time. I'm alive.
Wait, who put that there? Ooh.
No.
Oh, come on, I clicked on it. Hey, we need some action. Whoever can get this coin is the best of the team ever. Yeah, okay, I see.
Okay, I got it. I got
Yay,
the. I
no
got the coin.
winning.
I got the
No, you
coin.
didn't. Doesn't count. Ooh, bombs.
Frick.
Yeah. Yeah. Bless you. Okay, let's give us a little bit of thinking time here. Don't just instantly die. Oh,
Thinking
freaking-
time. That's your black hole, George.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oop.
Where'd George
Wait,
go?
what? George gone.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, wait, what? Magic. Well, maybe he got diabetes too many times. No! 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 I forgot that sprint.
I don't know what you're planning on doing.
He's dead.
Frick. Good luck to all.
I'm gonna go that way. You son of a. Right, now I'm gonna go on a plane. Oh no, I'm not. Can't even get that satisfaction.